everyone, I am Mitul Mehta, Chief Marketing Officer at Datamatics. And along with my colleagues, I welcome you all to the inaugural Datamatics Intelligent Automation Summit 2021. We would also like to welcome all our customers and partners who are here to share their experiences and solutions with us. Intelligent automation is the fastest growing enterprise software in the world, and businesses are scaling their automation to achieve superior productivity and deliver outstanding experience to their customers. Today, we will speak to some of the best minds in the industry about market trends, clarify myths, and dejargonize technology. We will hear from practitioners about the best practices to implement intelligent automation in your enterprise. We also have a networking zone where you can do all sorts of knowledge exchange. And don't forget to watch our RPA product TrueBot, IDP solution TrueCap Plus, and our AI ML solution TrueAI in action at the workshops and demonstrations. You can also meet some of the strategic partners at the partner zone in the exhibit area. We will also be running live polls from time to time. The polls will appear on your screen. Please participate in the polls and let us know your opinion on the key trends in intelligent automation. To create some excitement, we are giving out points for every interaction you do here. And if you are on the top of the leaderboard, you can win some exciting prizes. For all these details, please check the scoring system in the leaderboard. Do share the event updates on social media. Click your photo at the photo booth available at the bottom navigation bar and post on the social media using hashtag DatamaticsIA Summit 2021. This is not all. We have a lot for you for the next few hours. Brace yourself as we kickstart the summit. Now, I would like to invite Datamatics CEO Rahul Kanodia to deliver the opening remarks. Welcome, Rahul.
Welcome to the Intelligent Automation Summit 2021. Intelligent automation encompasses robotics, intelligent document processing, coupled with artificial intelligence, machine learning, natural language processing, and cognitive sciences, all integrated with legacy workflow solutions and enterprise systems. They collectively take automation to the next level. This decade is the decade of intelligent automation. In the past, we have seen growth in segments like ERP, supply chain, CRM. Intelligent automation is the current high growth segment. It has far-reaching impact because it is driving digital transformation. And digital transformation is fundamentally redefining business models. Hyper-automation is a $16 billion industry growing at 58% per annum. Intelligent automation, which includes robotics and IDP and artificial intelligence, is a $2.6 billion industry growing at 25% per annum even during COVID times. We are not talking about robots on a factory floor, rather talking about bots and automation in an office environment where people deal with information and data. Now we will have bots dealing with information and data. The most critical step for automating your data process is to ingest and understand your data, and that is where IDP comes in. The ability to ingest data from varied sources, including documents, internet, enterprise systems, images, and so on, added with the ability to understand and interpret your data using artificial intelligence, becomes paramount to automating your data-driven processes. It is only after ingestion can bots execute a task. Today, 50% of automation is happening in business functions outside the IT function. And only 20% of the enterprises have scaled beyond 11 bots in production. The challenge we have in mass-scale adoption of automation is that 80% of information in organizations is unstructured. And organizations have limited ability to process and interpret unstructured data. As a result, they are unable to automate. Today, organizations have 44 zettabytes of data, that is approximately 40 times the number of stars in the universe. 1 zettabyte is 1,000 billion bytes. By 2025, this figure will reach 175 zettabytes, a 4-fold increase in 4 years. By 2025, we will be generating 460 exabytes of data every day. That is 460 billion bytes each day. And 90% of it will be unstructured, with 30% being consumed in real time. It is humanly impossible to process all this information. Therefore, we need artificial intelligence with NLP and machine learning and strong cognitive technology to understand the context of this information and process it intelligently. Intelligent automation is the only solution for enterprises to be able to process all this information and make data-driven decisions in an automated way. The importance of intelligent automation can be underscored by a recent example of Citibank and Revlon. Citibank, instead of paying $7.8 million in interest, prepaid $900 million of principal because the vendor checked a wrong box, simply because the operator thought it's the right box to check. This was a very expensive mistake and caused an outflow of almost $1 billion. With artificial intelligence and robotics, one could easily have avoided such human errors. The 2020 pandemic and lockdowns has forced businesses to rely on technology and automation to acquire, service, and support customer engagement. It has changed customer behavior, and their reliance on technology is growing at a more rapid pace than ever before. Not only are consumers and businesses changing, governments are also adopting technology at a very rapid pace. Processes are being re-engineered for the digital world from the paper world. In this decade, we will see intelligent automation playing a crucial role in driving digital transformation. We will see deep penetration of technology such as RPA, IDP, and analytics across all business sizes. The use of artificial intelligence and NLP for the ingestion and interpretation of unstructured data is the secret sauce that will drive automation at scale. Those enterprises that adopt intelligent automation quickly will have an early mover advantage and steal a march over competition, while those that are slow to adopt intelligent automation will certainly lose out to competition. This frontier is rapidly being captured by nimble organizations, and we see this with the 58% growth in the industry. At Datamatics, we are very excited about this technology. We have used artificial intelligence, particularly machine learning and NLP, to do complex end-to-end processing of insurance claims and unstructured financial documents like balance sheets to do straight-through processing. For example, a project which we are doing with a large financial services company, we are processing 27 million pages per annum. There are 38,000 documents, each with about 500 to 800 pages. True AI, which is our AI platform, reads through these 27 million pages, uses NLP and cognitive science to understand the context of the information in these 800-page documents, extracts financial information, then calculates financial ratios from the information extracted. Finally, it provides processed data to the financial analysts. It used to take the customer 160,000 hours of analyst time. We have reduced this time by 80,000 hours, and it will go down by another 32,000 hours, taking the overall effort down by 70%. Further, this project will scale from 27 million pages to 42 million pages. At that scale, we will be saving 175,000 hours of analyst time. Not only has True AI substantially reduced the effort, it has greatly improved the turnaround time and delivered higher accuracy. This has enabled the customer to reduce the time to market in rolling out new analysis and reports, and also individualize the reports. As a consequence, the customer is now charging a premium for his services. So they are earning more by charging higher and simultaneously reducing cost and effort. This is Business 101. In another project, a bank had to process 35 million loan and mortgage documents and had planned to use 600 people for 1 year. Datamatics deployed True AI to understand the context, the topic, and the transactions. True AI classified all the documents and validated the supporting loan documents for compliance. It took us 3 months to train the system. Then the project was executed by 7 people in 2 weeks. For an insurance company, we have deployed intelligent automation for adjudicating 110,000 claims per annum. The True AI engine classifies, scrutinizes, and validates all claim documents. It checks for the existence of necessary documents using cognitive technology. It finds out if the claimant is covered for the claim being made as per the medical reports. It checks if the claimant has already received the monies based on the bank statements. It then provides an extractive summary to the analyst processing the claim. Datamatics has delivered 90% automation with 97% accuracy. The turnaround time in this case has come down from 1 week to 5 minutes. By using intelligent automation, the cost of back office operations for our customers has drastically reduced, while at the same time giving them improved accuracy and turnaround time. And more importantly, the ability to charge a premium price. Traditionally, Datamatics has had a strong practice in business process management, and our solutions have evolved from practical experiences on the shop floor. As a result, our solutions using TrueBot, TrueCap Plus, and TrueAI are able to automate more complex and end-to-end processes using cognitive technology versus just task automation. Datamatics' intelligent automation platform have enabled customers in widening their moat and gaining a competitive advantage. All of us are familiar with people, processes, and technology, where people execute processes with the help of technology. I see a world of a digital-first enterprise where technology executes the process and people will be focused on more strategic and value-added activities. This will cause a paradigm shift in the way organizations function and business is conducted. At Datamatics, we see a tremendous opportunity in this area and are actively investing in this domain by building a more powerful AI engine, TrueAI, integrating AI/ML models in robotics IDP for scale, accuracy, and speed, forging technology partnerships across geographies and domain areas for taking more potent solutions to our customers, and investing in intense training and certification programs for partners, developers, and customers. We believe the market is still virgin and there is huge scope to obtain productivity gains through intelligent automation. With maturing artificial intelligence technology bundled with robotics, we see the pace of automation accelerating and more organizations creating fully automated value chains. With this, I hand over to Mitul.
Thank you, Rahul, for sharing your vision, the opportunity, and the investments Datamatics is doing in intelligent automation platform. It's always a pleasure to hear from you.